Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Brittany here, and today we are chatting all about the makeup essentials for 2020. And I specifically tailored this video for people that are going to be working, traveling, or doing both at the same time. Business travel, 2020, we are catching flights and cashing checks all year long. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you click that like button down below. I know you guys are curious what's in this little tiny bag and how this can be everything that's on my face on a daily basis, because honestly seeing it all in one spot, I'm a little bit shook at myself. I have streamlined my makeup collection to fit in this tiny little travel bag. If you saw my previous videos, you know I had a lot of makeup and I've done a lot of decluttering, soul searching, finding myself and finding products that work for me. And I want to share those tips and tricks that I've learned along the way with you guys so that you can make the perfect makeup starter kit. The products that I'm mentioning in this video, as well as the tips, tricks, and knowledge I'm dropping on you, are going to help you maintain or achieve 3 criteria or bullet points. So the first one's going to be, we want this to be seamless, unclockable, undetectable under any type of lighting situation. People are going to know you have makeup on. You don't want them to see any lines of demarcation, any like outrageous blending. I don't know, you just don't want people to notice your makeup before they notice you or your personality. So we want it to be seamless under multiple lighting situations. The next thing is that we want it to be easy to replicate on a day-to-day basis. So I'm picking products that are easy to put together into a routine that you're able to mimic or replicate every single day, so that Monday through Friday or whatever your work schedule is, you'll be able to have something quick, easy, and fast, and that you don't have to think twice about what to put on your face and what steps to do. The last thing we want to do is have you looking good 4 out of 5 days, and the 5th day people are coming up to you asking if you're sick or not feeling well because you just couldn't get the same look every single time. And the last thing we want is that it is long lasting. A lot of these makeup videos out here have you looking bomb for about 4 hours max. But this video and these products are going to help you achieve an 8-hour or longer makeup face, so you can get through your commute, get through your work day, and get back home. And then it's up to you if you want to do a day to night look, or you do you. Results may vary. But the first thing I want to recommend to you guys is a primer. My preference is for a pore filling or a putty type of primer, because that's going to help smooth out the texture, fill in the pores as best as it can. It doesn't really fill in super large pores, but it's going to kind of give you a smoothed over filtered effect underneath your makeup. If you're looking for something budget friendly as well as effective, is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've been using it for a little bit now and I'm really liking it. So this is where it gets a little bit different. So before, I would like to get a full, medium to full coverage. That was just my thing. But for something that's going to be easy to replicate and something that's going to be seamless under all kinds of lighting situations types of things, you're going to want something that is lightweight. So I'm thinking low buildable coverage. I particularly like the Makeup Forever Blurring Skin Tint because it's very lightweight, yet it still covers and still has some blurring properties that really make my skin look healthy and not just made up, if that makes sense. Once you layer on the additional products, it's going to look seamless. It will also kind of build up the coverage that you're looking for without being too heavy and caked on. And that is going to make sure that it looks good no matter what type of lighting situation you're in, whether you're in the office under these fluorescent lights, burning your retinas, or if you're out in the field, indoor, outdoor, warehouse, retail. I don't know what you're doing, but this will work for you. Next thing I'm recommending to you guys is a light but high coverage concealer. So if you have any post-inflammation hyperpigmentation, acne spots, discoloration of your skin, or anything that's of a concern to you that you want a little bit more coverage than what a skin tint or a tinted moisturizer can provide, you're gonna want something that is still light but full coverage so that it can cover those spots and make you feel a little bit more confident. My recommendation is the Glossier concealer, and this concealer is literally a holy grail. You guys, you're gonna want to pick this up. If you haven't tried the Glossier concealer, I highly recommend you do. It is so lightweight yet high coverage, and it really covers some of the dark spots that I have on my skin. I really like it because it has a little bit of a sheen to it, a little bit of a glossiness that when you're trying to mimic your skin's texture and finish, kind of goes along with what the skin tint is doing in terms of like glow and like a healthy look to your skin. So you're gonna want to get this the same color as your skin to kind of go over those marks and just look nice and seamless to provide you with a healthy yet natural looking base that doesn't look too made up but also hides whatever imperfection that you're trying to hide. I know it sounds like a lot to do, but Glossier concealer seems to be doing it pretty well. I don't know. Alright, so we're getting to the a little bit of a glam area, and this is going to be the highlighting concealer. I'm recommending you guys pick up something that is matte yet blendable, light but decent coverage. For that, I'm recommending you get the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Honey, thank me later. I usually go over the areas that I want to highlight, so that's gonna be under the eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead and chin area, and that just builds up a little bit more coverage. I like my under eyes to be bright but matte. I feel like it gives that like skin, like the sun's hitting your skin and it just looks naturally beautiful. So you're getting the coverage that you want as well as the highlighting effects of a separate highlighting product. Multi-use face palette. For that, I'm using the black Radiance contour palette. It's got a bronzer, a contour, and a highlight. I like that everything is just in one palette. It's easy to throw in a bag, a makeup bag or travel bag, and you have 3 products there instead of 3 separate products. And it also can be used as eyeshadow. All the colors look so beautiful. If you have medium to dark or dark to deep skin tones, you're going to want to check out Black Radiance. They are available at Target. It just looks beautiful on the skin. It blends out so well, and the highlight is one of my favorite highlights. You want something that looks natural yet still like a little glam? Try out the highlighter from Black Radiance because it is chef's kiss beautiful. Highlight in your inner corner of your eye, and then a little bit of the darker contour bronzer in your crease. You got an easy, simple eye look without any additional products. Powder blush. I highly recommend that you add a blush to your little kit that you're building because the blush is just gonna blend together your highlight and your contour as well as give your face some of that natural flush that it's missing when you have makeup on. You can have shimmer, it cannot have shimmer. It's completely up to you. Pick a color that looks well in your skin tone. There are tons of videos on the internet to tell you how to pick colors for your skin tone, so I will leave it to the experts, but add a blush to your kit. You want to get a brow pencil as well as a brow gel to achieve a multitude of different eyebrow looks, whether you're looking to just shade in some missing areas or if you're really precise and trying to draw in some hairs. I recommend an eyebrow pencil for both of those purposes, and then set and finish your brows with some brow gel just to make sure all the hairs are in place and that they're all standing at attention in the same direction and not looking like you just rolled out of bed. Setting powder. Setting powder is like not like a glamorous kind of thing. I recommend you add a setting powder because you have these dewy products on your face, and if you want it to last all day long, which that's also the goal, you want it to be long lasting, 8+ hours, hello, you're gonna want to set your face with a powder as well as the next product I'm gonna recommend to you guys, setting spray. Setting spray is going to be essential to get the longevity that you're looking for in your makeup, and also it's going to help blend together some of the powder and the cream products and kind of give your face that melded together, professional, chiseled yet soft look that you're looking for. It's going to soak up some of that powderiness as well as help it set and blend into the cream that's underneath it. So in order to get longevity, you're going to have to use powder and a spray. So the last thing I'm recommending you guys, we're already at the end, wasn't that so simple and easy, is to have 3 different lip products. Yeah, I know my extraness is coming out, but with these 3 different lip products, you'll be able to achieve any type of look and fit any situation that you're looking to achieve. So you're gonna want to get a lip gloss, a liquid lip, as well as a bullet lipstick. You're gonna want these 3 different formulations because they're all gonna serve a different purpose. Bullet lipstick. You're going to want to choose a bullet lipstick if you have a very long day because they are the longest lasting lip products and they are the easiest to retouch throughout the day. So if you have a day full of meetings, talking, chatting, or you just want something that's going to wear nice throughout the day but you're also able to touch it up, then you're going to want a bullet lipstick in a shade of your preference. I prefer my bullet lipsticks to be in a My Lips But Better type of shade because it wears nicely throughout the day and also it's not too jarring when I need to touch it up. It's the most convenient form. You can kind of touch it up without really looking in a mirror if you wanted to. Easy to travel with and bring with you on the go. The next lip option is going to be a lip gloss. If you want something that looks more natural, a gloss is something fresh, helps you look fresh faced and lively, but at the same time it is the least lasting of the bunch. Also, lip gloss is easy to reapply throughout the day. You don't really need a mirror. Everyone's been putting on lip gloss since they were like, what, like 6? So it's very simple, but if you want something long lasting, you're probably gonna want to stray away from gloss, but gloss is a great option to have as well in your kit. The last lip option is a liquid lip. This can be worn 2 ways and both ways are very nice but also serve different purposes. I wear a blotted lip with liquid lipstick on a day-to-day basis for my everyday face because I feel like It gives you that color payoff that you're looking for, but also it wears nicer than just applying it in a traditional manner. So if you want to apply it in a traditional manner, as in just fully coating your lips with a liquid lipstick, it's going to look very nice and give you that pop of color, but it's not going to last as long. So if you're in a situation like you're at a conference or you have meetings and you want something that looks powerful and nice, apply a liquid lip, but just be wary that as you talk and as you eat throughout the day, it's going to start wearing, and liquid lip does not wear the nicest out of the three. I'm recommending that you have all three in your makeup kit because you never know what situation or preference you're going to have for that day. So if you have all three, it's easy to kind of choose what you want to do, choose what situation you need to address. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really enjoying this streamlined makeup approach that I have for 2020. It's so much easier when I have to travel to visit family or go on a work trip. I kind of already have an idea of the makeup that I want to have and the makeup that I'm going to bring with me, and it all fits in this super little pouch. I'm really proud of you guys. I've come a long way in my makeup journey, and I hope you guys come along with me. If you want to stay up to date with more videos on my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.